Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by verifying garment labels and sorting. Once done, set your machine to a gentle or down wash cycle and cool to lukewarm water. This protects loft. Measure Granger's down wash precisely. Overdosing leaves residue. Underdosing won't clean. Put the jacket or sleeping bag in alone or with one similar item to balance the drum. Use a front loader or top loader without an agitator. The agitation can damage fill. Make sure you select an extra rinse. You'll monitor the wash so the down gets clean without damage. During the cycle, make sure the detergent disperses fully. Pause and agitate by hand if necessary. Once the wash completes, inspect water clarity and fabric. If gray or soapy, run another rinse with the same down wash dose. Use a low spin speed to remove excess water while preserving loft. When finished, remove the item promptly and gently compress to check for any large, wet clumps before drying. You'll finish by drying thoroughly. This is the critical step. Place the clean down item in a dryer on low heat with 2-3 clean tennis balls or dryer balls. They break up clumps and fluff the insulation. Expect several 30-40 minute cycles. Check between cycles, redistribute any fill by hand, and keep drying until seams and pockets are bone dry. Make sure to avoid high heat. If you still feel damp clumps, repeat low heat drying and manual redistribution until fully lofted and dry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.